Today, we will explore various office vocabulary. Office desk, office desk. Office chair, office chair. Desktop computer, desktop computer. Office drawer, office drawer. Telephone, telephone. Fax machine, fax machine. Printer, printer. Laptop, laptop. Projector, projector. Safe, safe. Whiteboard, whiteboard. Marker, marker. Tape dispenser, tape dispenser. Pencil cup, pencil cup. Scissors, scissors. Calculator, calculator. Hole puncher, hole puncher. Desk organizer, desk organizer. Stapler, stapler. Paper clips, paper clips. Notice board, notice board. Window blinds, window blinds. Stamp, stamp. Dustbin, dustbin. Rubber bands, rubber bands. Highlighter, highlighter. Clock, clock. Pen, pen. Calendar, calendar. Box file, box file. Bulletin board, bulletin board. Bookshelf, bookshelf. Binder clip, binder clip. Sticky notes, sticky notes. Notebook, notebook. Business card, business card. Push pin, push pin.
Hit that subscribe button and motivate us to next video.
Next, we will explore various kitchen vocabulary. Toaster, toaster. Tea maker, tea maker.